All right, here we have the Pit Barrel Junior cooker from obviously the Pit Barrel company. Just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing so you can see what you get when you order one of these things. I just received this as a gift, and so we are gonna pop it open. So I already cut the tape right here. So you pop this guy open, and they have the shipping label or the shipping receipt, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty cool. Looks like the packaging could be better because the styrofoam clearly is broken. Then you got a couple accessories here on top. Looks like it does give you some beef and game pit rub, which is pretty cool, and all-purpose pit rub. And so that's what you get initially. I'm going to set the phone down here. We'll take some more stuff out and we'll continue filming. All right, so that's all the tough stuff that comes on top. You got the pack and slip, you got a couple pieces of rebar, looks like you got a wooden handle of some kind, and then you have the owner's manual, instructions and stuff. This is my first experience with this, so if I get the terminology wrong, bear with me. And then, looks like you got the barrel, and it looks like they might not need a lot of assembly, and it appears that this should just slide right up and out of the box. All right, maybe from this angle you can get a better look at things, but there it is. It's a pretty good little size. Clearly, it's got plenty of packaging on there. We'll take off the cardboard off the side handles. Looks like they're in the shape of horseshoes. That's pretty cool. And I got the Navy logo because I was in the Navy. And take the lid off. And yeah, looks like everything's wrapped up nicely. You got the, looks like a grill grate on there. And then you have everything nice and secured in cardboard. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything out of the cardboard. And it looks like I probably have to put some sort of handle on the top there. So we'll go ahead and take care of that, and we should have an assembled product. All right, so here it is. This is everything that comes in the box. Obviously, I showed you before, pack and slip and the owner's manual. You got the grill grate, a couple pieces of rebar, got a handle. I'm assuming this is to hold your heating element, and you know, your charcoal, wood chips. Here's the hardware pack, required for assembly. You got some more hardware in there. I'm not gonna do a whole assembly video because I don't know how to assemble it yet, but I'm assuming the instructions should do a good job. Just wanted to show you guys what comes with it, what to expect when you unbox it. The one thing I was hoping was for some sort of cool cover, so that way I could keep it outside in the elements and then cover it when I'm done, but I'm sure I can find something like that at Ocean State. But yeah, hope you liked this video. Hope it was informational for you if you were interested in buying one of these. And this is what it looks like, the Junior. So smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and thank you for watching.